All right, today we're going to be doing a repairability test. The address is 31 Timber Creek Path in Chapel Hill. Right here you have your wind damaged shingle. In order to remove this shingle, I have to go 2 layers up and compromise 8 separate shingles here just to remove this one. Shingle starts right here, it ends right there, so I'll be removing all the nails from the area. As I am doing this, you can see the granules are just rolling right off with very minimum force here.
Tear right there.
Yep, there's already a tear right there on that shingle, affecting the water sheddability. Granules are just rolling right off.
There's damage right there.
Yep, this one, before I continue, I wanted to showcase that it already has a crease going all the way across. I want to point out the damage one more time. The newly made damage right here across this shingle, right there, right here as well, and beginning right there.
Yep.
I'm going to continue.
Upside down.
Thank you, sir. I do want to point out before we do put the nails back that there is significant mat transfer here as well. So this shingle never resealed back towards the manufacturer's specifications. Every time I hit it with the hammer, as you can see, the granules are rolling off the roof.
Starting to crease too.
Yes, it is.
Time you hit, it just exposes more of that crease.
Right. So all the nails, as you can see, This one already has creases here. This one has creases here. This one has creases here. This one, this one. So by replacing this one shingle here, it affected 5 additional shingles, creating newer damage. Resulting in this shingle on this roof, the repairability as a fail. This whole roof has the same exact shingle with weave valleys. None of these shingles are repairable.
Here, just to prove the point, there's the previous repairs, and you can see damages all the way around it. Same thing over here. So the homeowners are doing their job maintaining the roof. That was a previous repair. Damages everywhere around it.